So I'll just start out by having a bit of a run through the maintenance system. What are the keys to a successful maintenance system? It needs to be designed and built for the user. It must be easy to understand, simple to use, and provide the right information at the right time and require the least amount of effort. How did we do this? Well, we did something that not many development companies do. We sent our developers out to customer sites. Imagine the difference it makes when your young developer goes on site or in field, meets the operators, mechanics and supervisors. They see firsthand what tasks are performed and the working conditions. It's not somebody sitting behind a desk in a comfortable office working on a computer. It's operators, drivers and mechanics on site or in a pit, dirty, dusty, cold, and sometimes they're not very happy. When you build a mobile first platform, it's this understanding that makes the most difference. Then you build a system that has required bones and the flexibility to cater to each customer's requirement, backed up with the highly experienced, industry-based project managers to work with customers, setting up and implementing the system. Let's look at what types of maintenance there are. Let's look at what types of maintenance there are and how do they interact. Preventative maintenance is completing a task before a failure has occurred. Corrective maintenance occurs after the failure has occurred to reinstate the equipment to its full functionality. The four main known types of preventative maintenance: time-based. This is the most common one and uses things like days, hours, kilometres or fuel burn to schedule your equipment in for servicing. Failure finding, which is aimed at detecting hidden failures. Condition-based, which uses a change in performance to intervene before a failure occurs. Risk-based, which uses risk assessments to determine and prioritise the work. Corrective maintenance can be split into two types. Deferred, used to monitor a condition and allow for proper planning and scheduling. And emergency, this is critical and cannot be deferred. Emergency maintenance is the most expensive and typically 3 to 5 times more expensive than normal preventative maintenance. We know that the higher the quality of your preventative maintenance, the lower the incidence of corrective maintenance. Planning is not the same as scheduling. This is a question that a lot of organisations struggle with, or a statement a lot of people struggle with. Planning refers to the preparing for a job and includes the scope of work, procedures, materials, any external support that might be required, and things like special tools. While scheduling focuses on what work gets done when and by who. Planning and scheduling is about improving productivity by ensuring the right work gets done at the right place and time with the right tools, materials and people. Planning reduces delays during the job, while scheduling reduces delays between the jobs. Getting planning and scheduling working together is a critical step in fighting any reactive work environment. So the questions come up now. Are your drivers and operators still using paper? Is your workshop planner stuck under a mountain of paperwork? Do they have to enter manually data into a spreadsheet or a legacy system? Does this result in them having no option but to work in the current week and constantly fight fires? Do your operators and drivers have confidence in this process? Does it promote a proactive and collaborative approach to maintenance and defects management? If not, then sounds like you need to have a look at our new system. Then you could have a fully integrated, mobile-enabled, customised maintenance planning and defect management system. All the information at your fingertips, easy to use, drag and drop, prioritised and fully integrated, linking asset availability, jobbing, maintenance and defects all in the one place. This leverages modern technology to reduce friction and improve outcomes, resulting in a harmonised working environment. Defect management is the best example of paper versus mobile. As per the simple flowchart, paper is unreliable, time-consuming, and has a large number of failure points. Too many hands, potential days and delays, and no forced workflows. There is a better way: mobility and force behaviour. How does this work? We introduce daily equipment checklists and force behaviour and on-device defect classification. This ensures all assets are checked, minor issues are identified and logged from a predefined list. It's basically the KISS principle. Make it simple, easy to use and control the data accuracy. This allows for real-time monitoring and on-device critical defect escalation via email and SMS. Live inclusion into the workshop planning module ensures defects never slip through the cracks. The final step is to close the loop, and this is absolutely crucial. This ensures user confidence in the system, and if they believe it works, they will use it. Now that we're managing our maintenance and capturing and resolving our defects, what's next? Data. There's a lot of it. This is one of the challenges that the modern systems have. Too much data, people get confused, don't understand what they're supposed to be doing with it. So the key is to provide simple, targeted reports that enable the decision-making process. We provide dashboard overviews with drill down capability, and as per the example defect report, capturing quality defect data enables accurate reporting. This allows root cause analysis and defect elimination. Root cause analysis is about preventing problems from reoccurring. It's about getting rid of the 20% of issues that cause 80% of your breakdowns, downtime and corrective maintenance. This drives towards a reliability culture, making reliability everybody's responsibility, just like safety. In summary, our mobile-first, user-developed, one-system approach ensures improved asset utilisation from increased reliability and reduced maintenance downtime, maintenance productivity from improved planning and scheduling, defect management, improving asset availability and reducing your costs, integration to financial management software like Xero, MyHub Advanced, Sage and other transport and industry related ERPs, and is also fully compliant in HVR maintenance management. Stay tuned for our future webinar on stock and parts management, covering full parts inventory management, planned servicing parts, parts warranty monitoring, tyre management, and asset full life cost analysis. One system, the right system, will enable supervisors to get out from behind their desk and focus on quality, safety, and efficiency.